Okay, for the next part, we have a theorem related kay operations of polynomial. So this is the factor theorem. So sabi dito, if x minus a is a factor of a polynomial f of x, if and only if f of a is equal to 0. In simpler terms, if plugging a number a into a polynomial results in 0, then x minus a is a factor of that polynomial. Conversely, if x minus a is a factor of a polynomial, then plugging a into the polynomial will result in 0. So ito, tulad ng ginawa natin kanina, 'di ba? Meron tayong x plus 2. So sabi natin, if this is a factor, equate natin to kay 0 and then we extract the value of x. Lipat sa kabila si 2 magiging negative 2. So ang sinasabi lang naman dito sa theorem na ito, kung gusto mo daw patunayan or gusto mong malaman na ang isang factor, let's say x minus a, ay factor talaga ng polynomial f of x, so kunin mo lang yung value ng x dito, tapos i-substitute mo dun sa ating f of x. Kapag equal to 0, ibig sabihin nun, so si x minus a ay factor of this function. So dito, para mas maintindihan siguro natin, no? Try natin si example. So prove that the following are factors of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 6. So eto, mga factors kasi kumaga in factor form. So ang gagawin natin, so hanapin natin ano yung value of x from these factors. So eto, equate lang natin lahat to kay 0. And then we find the value of x. So for this one, lipat lang sa kabila si negative 1, magiging x is equal to 1. Dito naman, ito ay x is equal to negative 1, x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 3. Ito naman, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Lipat sa kabila si 3. So 2x is equal to negative 3. Then divide 2 in both sides. So x natin is equal to negative 3 halves. Now, pag ganitong case, no, actually, pwede nyo gamitin yung calc function ng ating calculators. So, para hindi tayo substitute ng medyo marami-rami kasi 5 din ito. So, kung na-explore nyo na yung function ng ating calculator na calc, so input nyo lang ito mismo. So, 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 6. And then, calc nyo lang. Pag pinindot nyo kasi yung calc, magtatanong si calculator kung anong value ng x ang gusto nyo i-substitute. So, after typing this equation, so calc 1, calc negative 1, calc negative 2, calc 3, and calc negative 3 half. So, lalabas na yung values. So, kung yung mga values na yun ay equal to 0, then yung mga factor na to ay factor talaga ng ating polynomial na 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 6. Pero dito, since wala kasi tayong emulator, we'll try to solve this manually. So, for part A, this is 2 times 1 cube. So, this is part A. Plus 5, ang x natin, 1 squared minus 1 minus 6. So, this is 2 plus 5. So, this is 0. So, you can use calculator naman to solve this. For part B, 2 times negative 1 cube plus 5 times negative 1 squared minus negative 1, so magiging plus 1 minus 6. So, ito naman, negative 2, ito is 1. So, solve na lang natin. So, this is 2 times negative 1 plus 5 times 1 plus 1 minus 6. Ito, negative 2, negative 6, that's negative 8 plus positive 6. This is negative 2. For part C, negative 2 naman ang isa-substitute natin. 2 times negative 2 cubed plus 5 times negative 2 squared minus 2, magiging positive 2 minus 6. Ito ay 2, negative 2 cube ay negative 8 plus 5 times negative 2 squared ay positive 4 plus 2 minus 6. So solving this, negative 16. May negative 6 pa dito, so negative 22 plus 12. So negative 22 plus 12, negative 22, wait lang, napindot. Negative 22 plus 20 plus 2. So 0 siya. For part D, positive 3 naman is 2 times 3 squared plus 5 times, or this is 3 cubed, sorry, plus 3 squared minus 3 minus 6. So 2 times 3 squared, 3 cubed ay 27 plus 5 times 9. So minus 3 minus 6. So lagyan na natin minus 9. So ito ay 54 plus 45 minus 9. All in all, this is equal to, so 99 minus 9, this is 90. For part E, dito na lang siya. So 2 times negative 3 over 2 cube plus 5 times negative 3 over 2 squared minus negative, so magiging plus 3 halves minus 6. So simplifying, 2 times, so negative raised to an odd, negative pa rin siya. Negative 3 half. So pwede yung calculator, or kung wala naman kayong kung ayaw paggamitan ng calci, you can apply the loss of exponent. Ito ay magiging negative 27 over 8. Ito naman plus 5, quantity ng squared, magiging positive na 9 over 4 plus 3 over 2 minus 6. Ito ay negative 57 over 8. Ito naman ay, 54 over 8. Ito ay 45 over 4 plus 3 halves minus 6. So medyo hindi magkakaparehas. So you can use calculator or find the least common denominator para to combine all of this. Pero kapag ito ay kinumpute natin, all of this is just equal to 0. So, dun sa ating limang kine-check kung factors ba talaga, so tatlo doon ay nag-equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, so kung alin yung mga nag-equal to 0, yun yung mga factors niya. So, ang naging 0 ay si A, si C, and then si Ibig sabihin, si 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 6. So, ito yung mga factor niya. Si x minus 1, x plus 2, and then si 2x plus 3. Therefore, kung susulat natin yan, 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 6. So, as you can see, 2x cubed, ibig sabihin, tatlong factors yan. Laging ganun yung case, no? Alin yung pinakamataas ang degree, yun din yung bilang ng factors niya. If ever na na-factor out siya completely, ha? So, ito, pwede natin itong i-represent or isulat as x minus 1, x plus 2, and then for part E, this is 2x plus 3. So, yan yung kumpletong factor ng ating polynomial. Basically, ganyan gumagana si factor theorem.